Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hang a spoon from your nose. This will be an easy trick tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Now it's a really cool party trick that you can do, and it's actually really easy to learn to do. Once you've done it a few times, it does get easier. The first time it's going to be quite difficult, second time will be a bit easier and you can make it last longer, and then eventually you get better and better. My dad used to do this at all parties. He still does. Honestly, he has his tricks. He can ride a bike backwards, right? So he can literally sit backwards on a bike and ride the bike. He can hang a spoon from his nose. He can do all these party tricks, and sort of everybody enjoys them. So I figured, you know, he taught me how to do them. I might as well teach you all how to do it as well. It's no secret. So let's get into this tutorial video. Essentially, you want to get your spoon. I'm going to explain it first, then I'll demonstrate, okay? Get your spoon, and you want to have it with the curved part facing your nose, because you want it to sort of go along with your nose. You want to get hot air from your breath on that spoon surface, like that, and immediately after breathing that hot air onto that spoon, you want to press it against your nose. You want the handle to be sort of resting against your like lips and your chin area over here. And you don't need to go put your head back like this, but the first time you might want to do that to sort of get some balance on your side. And you can't like lean forward like this, it won't work, right? But you can get it to the point where you can sort of be like this and it'll still be balancing on your nose. It looks easy, but it's not that easy to do. So immediately after you get that hot air on the spoon, press it against your nose and sort of move it as you're pressing slightly downward, and it's going to get enough pressure on there that it should stick to your nose for a little bit. And the key here is don't let it fall off your nose. If you feel like it's about to fall, take it off and pretend the trick's over. Let's go. I'm going to go and demonstrate for you, okay? So once again, I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to do. Breathe onto the spoon, press it on my nose, move it downward, and that's it. Start like this, because that's going to give you the best balance, and you can sort of move forward and feel your comfort zone. Just like this. So check this out. Just like that. Okay? Press it, move it downward slightly. There you go. Just like that. Okay? And that is essentially it. That is how to hang a spoon from your nose. An easy tutorial. I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. And yeah, that's basically it. I feel like it's going to fall, so I'm going to end the video now. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.